Hello, my name is Evelyn, and today I will be briefly guiding you on the expectations for your telehealth evaluation. In this video, we will be going through this email and its contents, the waiting room, and the intake form process. On this email, you will find information about your telehealth appointment and time, a link to doxy.me to access the virtual waiting room and your evaluation, information about the waiting room, and tips and troubleshooting for doxy.me. And at the end, a reminder to complete your intake form prior to your evaluation. Once you are in doxy.me, you will be asked to fill in your name and check in. Once you are checked in, you will wait until your physical therapist is ready to start the evaluation. Now that you know how to access the waiting room, let's go through the intake paperwork. You should also have in your inbox an email from Lockstreet PTSMC to fill out your intake form. It is important that you fill out your intake form prior to your evaluation in order for your physical therapist to understand what is going on and fill out consent forms. If you do not have this email in your inbox, check your spam or junk folder, or please contact the clinic. Once you open the email, you will go ahead and click Fill Out Patient Intake. Once you are on this screen, you will be asked to type in your date of birth. From here, you will follow the 10 steps to fill out the required information. It is important that you complete every step. Please be aware that you cannot save and return to the form. You also have a set amount of time to complete the information. But once this is submitted, you'll be ready for your telehealth evaluation. This last part of the video will go through some tips to have a better and more successful telehealth evaluation. First, you and your therapist will talk about the reasons why you're in physical therapy, and your therapist will gather all relevant information needed during that time. It is important that during that time you are in a quiet, distraction-free environment, free of clutter. It is also helpful to have good lighting and space, just as you see me in this video. It is recommended that you use wireless headphones. However, if you do not have these, using wired headphones or your audio device should be just fine. Using a laptop computer or tablet will also be beneficial for you and your therapist to see each other comfortably. However, a telephone will be just fine. All these devices will be maneuvered during the evaluation. After discussing with your therapist what is going on, you will then move on to the physical exam, which can still be done in the virtual environment. Depending on what is going on, your therapist will ask you to stand, sit, lay on the floor, and even use things like stairs or any equipment that you may have around you like chairs. Make sure that, again, you're in an open environment that allows you to move freely and is free of distractions or noise. If you have any equipment that can be used like yoga mats, dumbbells, foam rollers, and exercise bands, go ahead and have those ready and nearby in case that they need to be used during the evaluation and even in subsequent visits. After the physical exam, you and your therapist will discuss the plan for physical therapy in the future. I hope this video helps you prepare for your future telehealth visit. Thank you, and we'll see you soon.